My scalp has sustained injuries from years of aggressive itching thanks to dandruff. If you want to find out how I got rid of my dandruff, then keep watching this video. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to subscribe. You are welcome, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Ding ding ding. Alright guys, so let's delve right into the topic of today. So I'm going to be talking to you about how I got rid of my dandruff. As you can see, I'm so excited, I'm so happy, and that is because I am finally free. Cause I am free. Come on, free to lift my hands. Hallelujah, somebody, you guys, you have no idea, I'm just joking. Alright, so how I got rid of my dandruff. So I recently came across a brand that has changed the whole course of my scalp. You guys, you need to see this brand. So this brand is beautiful. I love the branding of this product. I love the quality, I love the content, I love the fact that it is so effective, and I'd like to introduce you guys to this product that I use to swab and get rid of my dandruff. For people who are close to me, know that I constantly itch my scalp. This scalp has been through a lot, and of course I hate those dandruff flakes that keeps falling from my scalp when I itch them. Sorry, I'm not angry, I'm just angry dandruff. But all of that is over since I found my product. Alright, so a special shout out to my sister from another mother in Ghana, Bernadette. Thank you so much, girl, for introducing me to this product, and of course not forgetting Ayolabi Deborah for also talking to me about Belle Star. So this is Belle Star, the product I've been talking about. Belle Star is made in Ghana and they have quality and amazing products. Before now, I usually would not be able to carry a new hairstyle for a week and a half, sometimes even a week, and that's because of this constant itching and these flakes that keep falling like it's snowing, you guys. But at this point, I just want to say a special thank you to the CEO of Belle Star. Whoever you are, wherever you are, thank you so much. Your product has been like a lifesaver, you know, and your hair product works wonders, trust me. Please don't let anything alter the production process or the quality of your product. We find it very useful, and I love to see the other amazing products that you're going to be making. Alright guys, so this is not a paid video, by the way. Please let's take note of that. So very quickly, I'm going to delve right into how I use this product. So the first thing is my Belle Star Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Shampoo. So this was the product I was using before. I found out that they had a different shampoo for dandruff and itchy scalp, so I decided to seize the opportunity to buy this one. So this is the Belle Star Dandruff and Itchy Scalp Shampoo. It is very good. It has a nice fragrance. Oh my god, I love this product so much. The fragrance is so good, you know, so, and it lathers easily. So I use this to wash my scalp, and then after I'm done with that, I go in with the deep conditioner, moisturizing conditioner. So this is the Belle Star Shea Butter, Coconut Oil and Avocado Oil Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. So I use this afterwards, and because it's a deep conditioner, I usually leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I wash it off. Then the next thing I go in with is my Belle Star Shea Butter Almond and Avocado Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Also has a beautiful and nice fragrance. So this is it. So I use this, and then afterwards I go in with the product of the hour. So this is what changed everything. This and the shampoo. So this is the anti-itch scalp spray. This is it stops dandruff instantly. So all you have to do is just shake, just like so. You open up the cap and then you spray it on your hair. Just spray it in between your, just like so, and then you massage gently into your hair. Yeah, so it has a soothing feeling. And of course, that's true, Belle Star, you lied to me. You told me dandruff away in 4 days, but honestly, when I use this product, my dandruff went away instantly. So guys, that's the end of the video. This is all I used to get rid of my dandruff. Trust me, their products works wonders. So if you're still thinking about it, think no more, just go ahead and order their products, and of course let me know what you think about it. Let me know if it works for you. Don't forget to drop a comment, and then of course like this video, subscribe and share to your friends, because I'm finally free and I want you to be free also. All right, take care, bye, thanks for watching. Alright guys, so lastly I had to buy this set of comb, and I take it with me everywhere I go. It's just 1,000 naira or so you see it in the market, so you can just get it. And whenever you go to the salon to make your hair, please make sure to take your comb, don't share your comb. So that will be all for now. Thank you for watching.